A bridal shop owner is suing the state health director, Dr. Amy Acton. She says forcing her to shut down her shop violated her constitutional rights. Mary Smith is getting the state's reaction to this lawsuit tonight.
A lawsuit filed Thursday claims the Gilded Social on East Gay Street is in jeopardy of closing for good after the state forced it to temporarily close as a non-essential business.
Like many Ohioans, our client's business has been closed down with no due process whatsoever. She runs the kind of business that could be operated safely during this time, whether it's through social distancing, masks, gloves, carry-out.
Thompson, the shop's attorney and executive director of the 1851 Center for Constitutional Law, says the state deprived the owner and other business owners of their rights.
Well, this case is fundamentally about a very neutral principle, the idea that you can't just close down somebody's business without giving them a meaningful hearing at a meaningful time. And the state has deprived all Ohioans of that right, all Ohioans who have been deemed non-essential.
Thompson says he and his client would like to see every business get a hearing before they're forced to shut down from another pandemic.
So in a way, it's like you're trying to set a precedent with this, in a way. Do you think?
That's all we do is set precedents, and that's what we're going to do with this case.
We also spoke with Attorney General David Yost about the lawsuit.
Suffice it to say, she's wrong on the law and wrong on the merits. Anybody can sue anybody over anything. That doesn't mean you're going to win, and I don't think they'll win here.
The Ohio Department of Health says it does not comment on pending litigation. The lawsuit is expected to be heard by a judge next week.
What do you have to say to those who think that this is dangerous if they do rule in your favor and if there is another pandemic where businesses aren't forced to close and it further spreads a virus?
The most dangerous thing that can happen to Ohioans is a complete loss of their constitutional rights every time a state or a city claims that there's emergencies.
Mary Smith reporting.
Governor